Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be teaching you how to make this yummy tasty aloo karela salan. Here I have is 600 grams of karela. I'm going to wash the karela and slice them. So in the karela there is these hard seeds which you need to take out. And then there's soft seeds like this, which you don't take out. I'm going to be doing this for all of them. So I took out all the seeds out of the karela. These are the hard ones, which I'm going to throw away. And these are some of the soft ones, which I'm going to keep. Fry until light brown. Flame medium to high. Some of the karela are done, so I'm going to take them out. In the same oil, I'm going to add the soft seeds. And we're going to fry that. These are also now fried. Now I'm going to take it out. In the same pan, I'm going to add more oil and cook my onions until light brown. Flame medium to high. Add 2 medium chopped tomatoes and cook until it's nice. After 2-3 minutes, add the soft seeds. Mix well. Add 1 chopped sliced potato. Cook for 3 minutes. For spices I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon cumin and coriander powder. Add the spices and cook until the potatoes are soft. Add water throughout this process. Put the lid on and cook on low flame until the potatoes are soft. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. My potatoes are now soft, as you can see. Now I'm going to add my karela. Mix well. Put the lid on and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. My karela is now ready. Now I'm going to sprinkle some coriander on top. This is optional. I'm now going to dish it out. And I've dished it out and these are the end results. This is very tasty with paratha and roti. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.